Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 23LX. Beautiful boat, guys. Just got it in. Got the ocean blue paneling with the full blackout package, with the blackout package, with the graphite Simtex upholstery on the inside. Beautiful boat as we walk down it. Again, this is a tri-tune with the SPS package. Guys, as you see, the engine is not rigged yet, but we do have it. 200 Mercury is going to be on here. Guys, as we board from the stern, you'll notice this boat has the curved ladder. Welcome aboard. You'll see it does have the extended deck here. This boat is the quad bench seating. Beautiful boat, diamond pressed upholstery. Plenty of cup holders, guys. Storage underneath all the seats. This boat does have the bow filler seat to enclose this full forward bench. Table located right there in the center. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see we've got the upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo. We've got the Simrad Go 7 in the dash. Very nicely laid out. Beautiful boat. Guys, for more information, please stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location at 14 Birdie Road, 29605, or give us a call at 236-9005. Thank you for looking and have a great day.